So you're going to look at another method which is called the substitution method, and this method here, you want to see how you can solve this using the substitution method. So for this method here, you first get one of the linear equations. Normally you get the equation with the smallest, look for the equation that has a quotient of 1 because it is the easiest. For this time, we're going to just take the second equation. So you're going to have x plus 4y equals to 8. Now for this case, for the second equation, this is equation 1, this is equation 1 and equation 2. For the second equation, you're simply going to find the we're going to make x the subject of this equation here. So I'm going to have my x equals to 8 minus 4y. Simple as that. After that we are going to put this the value for x in this first equation, which is the same as 2 into brackets 8 minus 4y equals to plus 3y equals to 6. Yes, so 2 times 8, you just take this value of x and put it here, this first equation. Yes, so 2 times 8 I get 16 minus 2 times 4 I get 8y plus 3y equals to 6. So same as 16, 8 minus 8 plus 3y I get minus 5y equals to 6. So minus 5y equals to 6 minus 16, which is the same as minus 5y equals to minus 10. So my y equals to 2. Yes, after getting the value of y, you can just put in any of the equations. It should give you the similar answer. If it is in the second equation, x plus 4 times this y here, which is 2, equals to 8. So x plus 8 equals to 8. So my x equals to 0. Yes, when you put this y and the first equation, you get still the same answer because these equations, they are simultaneous. The value of x should be equal to the value of y. Yes, so here I have my y and here I have my 0. So let's go to the second equation. So the second equation, if I find the solution using the substitution method, here I'm going to first look for the number that has the smallest quotient. I can take this one. Yes, so this one is 2y minus x equals to 2. If I make x the subject of the formula, I'm going to have my x equaling to 2y plus 2. 2y minus, this is a minus, sorry, it's the same as 2y minus 2. Yes, so I'm going to take this formula here and I put it in the first equation here, because I've used the second equation to make x the subject of the equation of the linear system, the linear equation. So I'm going to make to substitute this value of x here into the first equation. So it is going to become 3 2 minus y, 2y minus 2 minus 4y equals to 10. So 3 times 2 here I get 6y minus 6 minus 4y equals to 10. So 6 minus 4 I get 2y equals to this is 10 plus 6, which is 16. So my value of y equals to 8. Yes, here just just open the brackets and afterwards I collect the like times 6 and 4. Then I take this 6 the other side, I get 16. So my value of y equals to 8. So I get this 8, I can put it here, I get the same answer. I can still put it here back, I still get the same answer. So if I put it here, I'm going to have 2 times 8 minus my x equals to 2. 2 times 8 is what? 2 times 8 is 16. Minus x equals to 2. So this same as minus x equals to 2 minus 16, which is minus 14. So my x equals to 14. Yes. So for the substitution method, is actually see it as the easiest, because just make one the subject of the formula and then you put it back into this other equation. So for this part here, let me first make my y the subject for this second equation. Can get minus y plus y equals 6. So if I make this y the subject, I'm going to have y equals to 6 plus x. Yes. Then I'm going to take the value of y in this equation, and I put it in the first equation here. So I'm going to have 5x minus the value of y, which is 6 plus x, equals to 10. You can please pause if you feel that I'm very fast. You can pause the video and play it back again until you catch up with me. So here I'm going to have 5x minus, here if I open brackets, minus 6 and minus x equals to 10. So 5 minus x means 4x this side equals to, if I take this on the other side, equals to 16. So my value of x equals to 4. Simple as that. Then if I get the value of y, if you use this first equation, my value of x equals to 4, put it here, then put it here, 5 times 4 minus y equals to 10. Same as 20 minus y equals to 10. Yes, so this is minus y equaling to 10 minus 20. So value of y equals to 10. Simple as that. So we have seen that we can easily get the value of y and the value of x using the substitution method. Please, you can try out the number in this corner here, so that we see if you have understood using the substitution method, and make sure you get your value of x as value of x as 3 out of 2, and the value of y as 1 out of 2. If you get these two answers, then you are correct. Please pause the video if you feel that I'm very fast. This is how easily you can solve such equation using the substitution method. I am going to put the link in the description of the other methods, of how you can solve the other methods.